I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you've forgotten your Capital One card PIN, don't worry, recovering here is straightforward. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Open the Capital One app. Launch the Capital One mobile app on your smartphone. If you don't have it, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Step 3. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, tap on the Account Settings option in the menu. This is usually found in the profile icon or the main menu. Step 4. Select PIN Recovery. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Set a new PIN. After verification, you will be prompted to create a new PIN. Make sure it is something memorable but secure. Confirm your new PIN to finalize the process. Remember, if you encounter any issues during this process, it is always a good idea to contact Capital One customer support for assistance. Good luck, and you'll have your PIN back in no time.